Hello dear students, this video is for grade 7 chapter 1 number system. The topics we covered last was introduction to number system, decimal number system, binary number system and conversion from decimal to binary. Today we are going to cover octal number system, hexadecimal number system and conversion from binary to decimal. Let's get started. First, octal number system. Octal. The word octal is derived from Latin word octo, which means 8. It consists of digits from 0 to 7. Next we have hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6 and deci means 10. Therefore, hexadecimal means 16. It has a base of 16 and uses digits from 0 to 9 and letters A, B, C, D, E, F to represent 10 to 15 numbers respectively. Next, we will see today binary to decimal conversion. To convert a binary number to a decimal number, we should follow 3 steps. Step 1, that says multiply each binary number by 2 to the power 0 starting from the very first digit from right. Step 2, increase the power of 2 by 1 for each multiplication. And step 3, add all the numbers so obtain to get the equivalent decimal number. Let's take an example. So our binary number that is to be converted into decimal number is 10110 to the base 2 because it is a binary number and we have to convert it to a decimal number. So we will follow the 3 steps. Step 1, we have to start from the very first digit from the right, and what we need to do is we have to multiply each digit by the power of 2. So first we will multiply 0 by 2 raised to power 0. Then we will start with the next digit 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Third, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Next, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. And last number 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. So in every step we have increased the power of 2 by 1. Now we have to solve this. So see here, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. And 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Then we have to add all these. When we will add all these, we will get 22 and 22 is your required decimal number. Now my dear students, I have written for your reference some maths formulas that will be used in this. For example, 2 raised to power 0 is always 1. So whenever you get 2 raised to power 0, the value is 1. 2 raised to power 2 means multiply 2 times, that is 4. 2 raised to power 3 means multiply 2 3 times, that is 8. And 2 raised to power 4 means multiply 2 4 times, that is 16. So this was today's task. Practice the questions and understand the video. Thank you for watching.